Ya kini ke episode lawan Rasha Pida KR Enterprises. Kebai ke one-stop solution dapat bagi furniture sets haki yang berinternat ke jongpi berpila pen pre-book yang customized sofa sets, dining table, Godrej ngelor kiwe-kiwe ke kum ke budget ber ke design ke bagi kuat. KR rui ke end-to-end construction solutions ngeduk architect and planning adu ki kam interior haki yang kemai jongpi. Wani kujat haki dukan jong ke KR Enterprises hayau tumia jowai lani hai surat shalong dapat bagi jeng tip berkamnya. Welcome to another vlog. Buat mana pering jonging saya sukain bah balanang keren phareng. Nomor bang ladap yang pas ngada pas kas 8 ni kelas 9 ngila isming smong ngila okay to by but kiwe ki bangi ya keren ha kerukom ya keren jongi la ni ha jong text message jongi ha do la bakla spelling lut bro khai balai reply tam bly lada dong kumno tang la bakla spelling lut ngana ngana mong ki mong ngam kedong than tai cho ya mong ki Henry kadang kani ka lat pe kabu na ta jong gitu ba ki bam nang bat keren bon na jong hi badan ki bakran khasi hi ngim nang su ban keren phareng ni aku menang keren phareng ba di ban keren phareng continuous ngim la ni haban keren tin khalish ke bumut da khasi ke clip ke english kata kelalong khalish ke bangim nang ba ban pendan kam kentin ki ba buon ba ki we te kani kan bu jenge bhai ke mlang salang banong no bangin kira phareng bej ngim nang mungkin khasi bej ngim nang te la tha phidi iwe na pring jong kita ki bas ngo jinjar ban nang ni de ki bro khai ban phi kwa ban compatible si ko kom kan english ko jong phi si ki school ko jong phi phim da yo bha ban pindan kam ha la ni ban keren bha kom ka badai balai bun e ta keren khalish de si tenre lani da khanu manu ka dawru tenre kadang kani kalat phi la ban pulil ni ban nang keren phareng bha la kalong public speaking la ni kalong creative writing la ni kalong communicative english but we ko phi la nang ban keren but we khnang kan boost ko confidence jong phi la interview ni phi la ki kam ki jam phi ko tre shabar tre company but we kan rap phi ban yo ita ka boost sa jing ko jong phi habai day bat kom keren but we ngadon hangne kani di ka Wayne Institute hangne badan hangne kani di hadan kiti apo Unoyas Academy ngala jule advertisement teng menchua bat menta kidang dan kui ka kelas ni nang taki kelung kena school ki hab ki beret den re menta kin pli pat ya ka bentan da beta jong ki bala he kamut ki kena school ki ba kelas 11 12 fashong shuti la ni ki bala he kata ni bala temen rum ni le lara pi kwa benang phareng ban keren ba kien phareng dan ini i nong hikai belawan pas nadu nete na ribilat bela pas pun ma jeng pulih ka english na taru bela dep yak jeng pulih jeng yang tin ribilat na london te ini iban hikai kan lam pi shopo kan pen comes to bhan na si batai ba susu kumnu pila ban ni ma ke kelas ke winning classroom ko ni
so bounce ideas of each other and try to come up with a speech. Yes, miss. All right. What about Albert? Football. You're also all the boys football. Puppet? Okay. So probably you can turn around and work with that.
Maybe we can go on training here.
What about design?
Kini ke dan hang tei jadi ka hotel Haiga hang tei ke dan kiti phirung nang thima po kum tu phirung sni sejrong kedai hang
Since this is still a class, all right? 3 girls will be in the camera, but still have to work on something. Elisa, you can just take out your notebook and write something about crocheting. Right, so maybe you can speak about it off camera. Right? Safina, what is your hobby, dear? Dancing, write something about dancing. Then Laditi, listening to music, write about it. Just express yourself. Alright? See, there's no right with creativity, there's no right and wrong answer. This is not a maths class, right? Not 2 plus 2 is 4. This 2 plus 2 can be 5 here. It's creativity. Alright, so you think outside of the box. Bounce ideas off each other.
Kile you miss mentah gini? Kile you gini mentah?
Kini they're writing about, they love football. All their hobbies is football.
Okay.
So they're bouncing ideas off each other.
Okay. So they're writing something.
They're writing something.
Okay.
Albert, can you take out your exercise copy? You all have to contribute. You can't all depend on me. Monday and Mawan. All of you have to contribute. Bounce ideas of each other. Right? If you say you love Real Madrid, why?
Kini kena kita berdang sang syuti kita long school kita mai lai wan lupa ni ban yarap iki ya ke rukom kumno ban tho ban kedan kani kamdi ban ong ban ni puli ke school yang dai tang ban support lani ban yarap ban pin pro susu ke jabing joki na Meghalaya ime ha ka phone
Since this class is over tomorrow, right?
ngin ya lada di bayok ni ngin ya nang bahak ai di ban ong ban kedan ban tho ban kiwi mama bob su sa stream hakar phareng kadi dari kelas
Taking you what?
Sebing small sibit di nyawan nang ni ban sna ni we ka at bingin nang ile tinga pa ru ipi ba pi pi tip ba pin ban ya peit dan ni ban ya wan dan pa na sa shubu na bu phone ji mis nafi kenang ba ila ban batai baha kadesh pang jong ka iga kos bat ki di kini kena kedang hikai mata kini la di kelas dia mata sini ting hikai mata kidan di kena dah kena rit ngadu bedang nursery kelas 1 kelas 2 kidan hadu ki belahe kidan tekani di koin ki batch bigidang yo mata kini ka kelas
Don't start writing, start thinking. Bobby, you also have to contribute. Okay, why do you love football? Why do you think football is your hobby, your passion?
allow me to speak a little bit about a little bit to the audience and also tell a little bit about you, okay? So, ngidan Hangne bakini kena we are here with all these students and I'm teaching them a little bit about vlogging and how to speak on camera. See, there's nobody here, right? It's just one small camera and I'm just assuming that there will be a lot of people watching. I hope there will be a lot of people watching. I hope there will be 4 people, 5 people, 10, 100, 1,000, or maybe a lakh, okay? But I'm talking to them as if they are real people. See, if you look at my eye contacts, the way that I look at the lens, as if I'm looking at a person. See, this is the way that I talk to people on camera. And if I have to express, let's say, oh, shit, oh, and all that, then maybe I need not necessarily look at the camera. But there are certain parts where if you want to address to people, to talk to people, you talk in front of the camera like this. Okay? Then you don't hang near perlok, but kini kena kiba bon bah kiba nangirap kiba imis sidang nangirap hangne ban yo ikijing hikai. Tila da piru pikwa ikijing hikai kumne ban yo ban tips pang public speaking, communicative English. Creative writing but kiway pilaban wan hangni kani digi ya academy hangni podhan kiti to if I may ask how was ya academy boros kata all this while all the 2 months how is it excellent okay nice then very good yes what else spectacular nice okay ti kitu di ki bro khai ba pilaban yo hani kidang long shy khnet manta ten ringen pen hikai ru ikini kumno bagi kilaban kram camera which they will be doing now. Each and every one of you will get that chance of speaking on camera, okay? Not this on camera, okay? Or if you want to be here also, you can be in my channel also. But anyway, okay. So we'll be giving you the camera, not this. We'll be taking from a phone. And that will be, you'll have to speak on camera. Just talk to the camera as if you're talking to a person like I do. Okay? Fine? Is there any question? Any questions?
Do you understand
No?
how to do it? Very easy, okay? Simple terms, in simple words you can say. What have you learned at this academy?
Yes.
What did you like about this academy? And would you recommend it to others to go? Alright, and maybe you can use one word to describe the academy as well.
Right.
Alright?
Even I feel like I should join. Anyway, so we'll keep this short and you try ingin ship nak tu shani na Hangne we'll take multiple angles mo some will take it from there facing that side and we'll see the other students sitting facing front or all that or maybe they are in an activity and somebody is just speaking that side looking that side mo te hujo ko por ye kini ki perlok ki jongiru le phikwa banwan kan bu contact jo phimo mis po ka screen kana philaban contact I kana philaban wan ban register le dia te kana mengin kham sungthu kham nang pham de ban chukran khalish sa kan english khasi tip top okay chalo let's do it.
It is a very beautiful thing that you can explain them. Since I was a kid, I really like taking videos. It's not just English or grammar, but here you will know many activities. She'll teach you in many activities that how you can do. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. A big hand. Round of applause. See? And that's how you do it. You express yourself, you speak from the heart, whatever you have. It's okay to make mistakes. Your vocabulary might be over the place, it's okay, but at least you are able now to express yourself, and that is very important. Fine? Okay, now you can come one after another and we can wind this up. So, nilai na pi tu ka kelas mentan ni nyo. Tapi kuat sa subuh na phone hang ni pilap ban phone, ban pilap wan sini Jakarta. Kene kene hang ni pun hang gitu. Kede nang tai tek surok kumtu rung bin nang tu kumtu sa ti sijrong. Serius ti sijrong. Paslap sate but na de bidang pa isu sa subuh lut kita kid number ibro fight kan pensuk pi kumno pi kan contact ban yo dik information bro. Inshallah, let's go. See you in the next video. See you, Shabina.